Woo! All right. I just got up. Trying to wake up. I'm gonna make my coffee in a second, but I'm just gonna make my French toast this morning. Okay. Gather myself here. Oh, I need a bowl. Phew, man, I'm all over the place. Cannot function. All right. Get my bread here. Get my bread. Get my bread. Bam! Look at that. All right. Egg whites. Get my egg whites. Get my egg whites. I'm gonna put those on the side there. Let's see, where do I have these blades? Blades in the dry rack here. Okay. There we go. Stevia. I got a different type of sweetener, but it's pretty much works the same, exactly the same. Blah, blah, blah. Tongue twisting. It is, yep, maltodextrin and sucralose. Two types of sweeteners. Sucralose is basically dextrose and sucrose. No, I'm sorry. Dextrose and fructose sugars combined to make that one. I hate this thing. It makes more of a mess than anything else. Just gonna take the cap off here. Yeah, I'm not using that. It makes a mess. It's stupid. Oh, I cannot think. Oh my god. I do not operate well at all in the mornings. It's terrible. I feel like a complete zombie. Cannot think. There you go. That's why I use this app. Because I can't function, so I let the app function for me. There we go. Knock everything back in there. Put the blades on here. Alright, mixy mix. Oh, look at this cinnamon over here trying to... you will mix. Look at my pan. It helps to heat up the pan. Oh, that's all I really need. My bread. My bread. Transfer the contents. So that means I pour all this loveliness into this bowl. And then I put this on top. That way everything gets soaked in. And I just leave that actually for a couple minutes. Well, not really a couple minutes, but about a minute. And I let all that goodness soak into the bread. And that is it. Ready to cook it. I'm just going to skip through all this stuff because all I have to do is cook and eat. And 275 calories, 30 grams carbs, 25 grams protein, and 2 grams fat. Virtually nothing in fat. So if I had the come on, this thing is dickish. If I had some calorie leeway, I'd probably put some nut butter on there. Hint, hint. But what I like to do is I like to put Greek yogurt on it. I don't need Greek yogurt for any reason. I just like to have Greek yogurt, kind of like a whipped cream topping, except that gives you more protein and staves off that that hunger. All right, that's it. Time for coffee. I need it bad.